Okay, so here is Take the Skinheads Bowling. This is another fun, easy song once you get the hang of it. To start with, on the intro and most of the song, we're just playing C and F major 7. So that's going to be a C chord. And F major 7 is really similar to C. Keep your first finger held down on the C chord. Just move your third and second finger over a string set or down a string set. So to the fourth string and the third string. So what we have here is, right? So I've got C chord, F major 7. Sorry. So there's nothing on the 6th or the 5th string there. Here's the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, open 1st string. And the strumming pattern on this is really simple. It's just down up on 8th notes. So we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So we go back and forth on those two chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Make sure your nails are short, otherwise they'll get in the way like my nails are right now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So that's the intro and that's also the verse. That's all we do. Just take note on your lead chart how many times we play each part. The only thing that's different on this is the chorus. We're in a G chord. So full measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then F bar chord if you can get that, or F major up here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now this is the kind of part that's cool that makes, it's the hook of the song. We're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... So what that is a C chord twice, down up, and then a muted strum on it down. So I'm counting 1 and 2 and... That and 2 is technically like a G over here, a single note. So all I gotta do is take that third finger that's on the C and move it over to the G, which is on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And that's the pattern, is 1 and 2, and then it repeats. So there's that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together on the chorus, I got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Now, if you're having a hard time getting that G in there, you could just go... That's still going to sound good, like 1 and 2 and... So I have 2 clicks. 1 and... Because the bass player is going to hit that G anyways. So either way is totally cool. The only other thing in this is there's a little lead guitar part on the 3rd verse. And look at your chart, it's just this little pattern. And so that happens once per measure because you're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's one measure. Now we do that 3 times. If you look at the chart. On the 4th measure though, the only difference is we play 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So those last 2 beats are quarters. 10th fret, 8th fret. So all together then, on the 3rd verse is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So what I recommend doing on that is doing all alternate picking. Down, up, 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 down, down. All right. And so we do that 4 times, like it says on the chart, back to the chorus. And that is the song. We just end with, take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. Ending on the C. All right, have fun with that. Thanks.